Hey, it's your boy Dizzy, aka Desire, and today I will show you guys what I bring / wear to a casting when I'm going to a casting here in New York. So yeah, let's start. First off, you gotta have the basics, which are a pair of jeans, preferably slim jeans, because the client wants to see how your body's built. In addition to that, you should always have a white or a black t-shirt with you. This one's from my German agency, PMA. Today I will bring my white shirt. Some castings even require you to bring a black or white shirt and jeans. Then my undershirt, because it's really cold right now. It is winter in New York, so what else am I wearing then? A black turtleneck. We stylish in here. Very chic, very warm, very good. To a casting, you should also wear good underwear. For example, just your basic Calvin's, black or white. What you should not be doing is, you should not wear underwear like this, because it will be weird. In addition to that, it is always nice to have like some kind of little jewelry. That could be a little necklace, or just an accessory for your pants. You should never overdo it with accessories, but today is a good day, so I'm wearing my belt around my chest because I'm cool. And as a jacket, I will be wearing my John Barrett coat right here. Cute, warm and stylish and simple. That's basically it. I'll be wearing my Air Force Ones. I'm pretty tall, so I probably should not do that. If you're tall, you should wear flat bottom shoes. If you're rather on the smaller side, grab you some Air Forces, some Timberlands or some Doc Martens, and then you'll be alright. Since it's pretty cold, I will be wearing my little beanie, black and simple, and never forget your book, and some kind of ID, because some of the buildings you're going to go to for castings will require you checking in with ID. In addition to that, you should always have nicely groomed fingers, nicely groomed hair. Toenails also especially very important, because sometimes you will have to undress and it gets uncomfortable if you're not clean. Yeah, just in general, keep track of your hygiene, keep track of your bodily appearance, and you'll be alright. Another thing is, when it's cold, have your chapstick with you. For the ladies. It is always good to have a little snack, a little bottle of water, and your earbuds and phone with you, because it sometimes gets really boring at castings. So I'll be going to my casting now, and yeah. This is the full outfit I'm wearing today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.